Hey, hello, what's up, guys? This is Vishnu, and today let's see how this M31 is being designed. And let's get started. And let's have a quick 360 degree overview of the box. And at the left, we got Samsung and Galaxy M31 written, and at this side, it says 16499, the official price of this device. And we got a adapter cable, SIM ejector toolkit device, and so on. And it's a 64 gigabyte, 6 GB 64 GB variant, and it comes with the color of ocean blue. And outside they have written that it's in-gem SIM card only, and if you want to use it somewhere else, like um, you've gone somewhere in to other country, you need to contact Samsung customer service, and they'll sort it out. And this device is, and at the back there's nothing else. And let's open the box. And this device comes with a Exynos 9611 processor. The complete M series is with that only. And as we open the box, we got this Samsung box and device. We got SIM ejector toolkit, and again it comes with a octa-core processor where 4 cores are powered with processing speed of 403 megahertz to 1742 megahertz, and the other 4 cores are powered. They run at a clock speed of 936 megahertz to 2314 megahertz. And as we remove the device, we got it's a bit heavy, and they said that it's a 6000 mAh battery, but it is not. But the physical battery is of 5830 mAh, but not 6000 mAh. And it comes out with a Android 10 and One UI 2.0, and after all updates, now latest it's 2.5 Open UI. After all the updates and October 1st security patch update, it got a rear fingerprint scanner and a 4 uh, camera setup at the back, where 64 megapixel is the main camera with Samsung sensors, and 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 5 megapixel depth sensor. And at front, we got a 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 sensors at the front, and at the top we got a noise cancellation sensor, and at left we got SIM ejector tool, I mean SIM ejector tray. And let's quickly open it up. There we go. And I think it should come with 3 slots out there, and yes, it is. It comes with 3 slots, 2 for SIM card and 1 for micro SD card. And there's a single tone flash at the back. It's a And it comes with a very small speaker setup. It's kind of small, so the size of the notch. And at the bottom we got a uh, USB type C cable, mic, for a hole for mic, and holes for speaker, and a 3.5 mm headphone audio jack. And it's a Samsung adapter with adaptive charging. It comes with a 18 watts charging, and at the very same time 10 watts charging. It depends. And A to C type cable. Well, this device has a resolution of 13:6 ratio. It's a Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display with the aspect ratio of sorry with a resolution of 2340 into 1080, so that you can watch a 1080 uh, video, 1080 pixels video. And at the very same time, you can also watch a HDR with HDR support, because it comes with a HDR10 support. And Well, is just a cable, USB A to Type C, and this device got two clusters. The first cluster, as I said, the 8 cores are been divided into two, I mean 4 and 4. First cluster runs at 1742 megahertz clock speed. That's the first cluster, and the second cluster runs at a clock speed of 2314 megahertz. Um, and there's no NFC support on this device, and it's a Schedutil Governor, so the cores won't sleep. The 8 cores will be running, and this might lead to a battery problem where I mean battery drains, even if you are not using the device. And let me just set this device. It's a regional log guide. It says Indian. I mean, as I previously said, that you can only use this product with a SIM issued mobile operator within India. To use SIM card from other regions, a cumulative calls over 5 minutes must first be made with a SIM card from Indian operators. If a SIM card issued from another region is used for activation, the phone may not work. In this case, the device need to take into the nearest Samsung service center. As I said earlier, you can't use any other region SIM card, and you can only use the Indian SIM card if you're also in another country. So, I mean, you can use your glasses. It says, "Do you wear glasses?" and just tap on yes, and it just goes through. I mean, it registers your face 2 times. Well, one for with glasses and other for without glasses. It registers, and yeah. Before you do anything, get news and special offers and use the customization services. Make sure that you don't agree with them. And next, um, you can just go as usual, and unused apps will put to sleep to extend your battery life. So it's a feature. Well, they might have used. Okay, that's not a big deal. Well, battery drain is a bit has been decreased, not that much because it's a Schedutil Governor and it's not that great enough for battery performance. It's asking each and every language. Let me set it to English because I'm comfortable with it. And the device itself loads some apps which are useful and which are also not useful at all, like Zeely or some sort of apps. Well, they won't come pre-installed, but they will install after the device is being connected first to the internet connection. So make sure you uninstall them. If you want them, you can keep them. And this is the permission where the Google apps is asking you for Galaxy Store, not Google Apps. Sorry. Well, here we are, and preloaded we get Netflix, and that's it. We got Netflix, Facebook, and some Samsung membership and all that stuff. It comes with Android 10 out of the box, as I said earlier, and One UI 2.0. And the fingerprint scanner is fast, but because of that animation, it's sort of slow. Well, the lock screen wallpaper consists of some animation. Well, as you can see, there's a spring and a ball jumping all around. and the face unlock is also pretty good, and we also get Amazon apps pre-installed. And that's it, guys. This is all about this. And yep. And yeah, thanks for watching, and do subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.